Hello friends. Welcome to Navitasefficens, your smart energy partner. Presenting you a turnkey shade structure project using M.S.Material for a hospital by Navitasefficens. Navitasefficens is an internationally registered brand and company working in diverse areas of energy sector since 2012. A single sloped 16 feet by 52 feet shade made using pre-galvanized iron material. Watch this full video to know the project in detail. To stay up to date with our latest project videos, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and share the videos. The GI shade was made while the building was under construction. So we have achieved a great finishing. Some before and after work progress pictures of GI shade structure. Let us watch a digital video of its 3D model. Terrace, before installing the GI shade. And this is how the process took place. It is a perfect combination and sizing of trusses, columns, to achieve a stable and balanced sloping structure in GI material. Our skilled manpower, working on site. Let us watch some actual and 3D model comparisons. Accuracy was achieved by following the 3D digital model. Stay tuned with us to watch next part of it, a PV solar system design and its installation. Thank you for watching.